Item number 11. Pass those forward through the Shani if you can, when you can. Okay, any got any verbal reports on anything?
One of the things I've noticed, Your Worship, sitting on Access Taupo Committee, we've just had the footpath approved for the extensions that along the lakefront. There seemed to be a little bit of, I don't know whether it was lack of communication, the same with the crossings in the road. I think it's been sorted. One of the concerns that was raised was the gradient on the path. I think originally the plans that I saw talked about 3 degrees. I was told that the International Convention is 1, but since that time Mr. Bowden's come back and said no, it's 2. What I'm really asking is for us as a council to make sure with any projects that are taking place within the district that Access Taupo is told so they can put that contribution in. I talked to Fraser on Thursday in regards to the crossings in Ruapehu Street where you come off the footpath, you then have to walk towards the oncoming traffic to go across the centre. Now he has told me that that was planned that way and that will be corrected, not corrected, as though it was something that is the way it was supposed to be, which I found quite alarming. Normally a road crossing you go straight across. I don't know whether there's going to be any extra cost in now putting the fencing back up and extending that centre of the road. But they're the sort of things that I believe that Access Taupo should be talked to about before the projects go ahead. Just ready to make that note. On a positive note, I've asked this for some time, and it's not to do with Access Taupo, it's to do with weekly or monthly work plans. I'm very pleased to see we got it through on the internet, and I mentioned it to Mr. Lewis. That's quite a benefit because when we get that phone call, what the hell are you doing on that corner, we now know. So I appreciate whoever was involved in getting that to us.
Thank you, Councillor Buddy. Any other verbal reports? Councillor Dollins.
I just guess in terms of a thank you to John Ridd and Alison Rawley for the consultation or the beginning of the process we've had with the Acacia Bay residents in the Acacia Bay Association regarding potentially a new playground at Beasley Park. It's been a great example of council working well with the community, and full thanks to Alison who turned up after hours, 7 o'clock at night for meetings with the committee. So the consultation for that for the community will be, I think it's 4 o'clock on the 3rd of November, so if anyone would like to attend, they're more than welcome. But it's been a great exercise and a very positive relationship just to take a bit of extra time out to work with residents groups. So thank you to Alison in particular.
Great. Thank you, Councillor Dollins. Okay, suggested resolution there. The members' reports be received. I'll get them to Shani and the verbal ones. Can I have a mover, please? Thanks, Councillor Williamson, seconded by Councillor Hickling. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Those against? Carried. That's the end of that part of the meeting. So that's the end. Protocol here. Yeah. We'll try to do that after. Okay, there's a suggested resolution. Thank you for your patience. So we'll go into the confidential part of the meeting. Could I have a mover, please, for that?